the Bollywood lobby that spoke up so much for Pakistani actors. You know, whenever it is anything to do with Pakistani actors, the same lobby makes it the biggest human rights movement. In fact, when after the surgical strike, some of us spoke about a ban on Pakistani actors. They said, no, no, absolutely impossible. But in the case of Sushant Singh Rajput, do they not care, Meena? Or are they worried about what an investigation might reveal? These are 2 points. So Ishkaran is on the screen, so I'll let Ishkaran take that first, and then Meena coming to you on that. Yes, Ishkaran. Okay. Who would like to go? Okay, Ishkaran wants to go first. Ishkaran.
30 seconds, I'll just say something in 30 seconds.
Yeah.
There is the famous Sherlock Holmes story in which he finds who is the culprit because the dog at the farmhouse does not bark at the night. So he knows it's an insider job.
Yes.
Today, it was a worldwide trend. The Mombatti gang, which will light a Mombakki for Yaqub Menam, for Afzal Guru, did not light one single Mombatti, one single diya, one single candle on a demand of CBI investigation. Yesterday night on YouTube, I said it, and I'm very grateful to you that today you carried it because it's a people's movement, and your shoulder behind a people's movement, such a huge channel, makes it so much stronger. But
Thank you.
The thing to note is that people who did not tweet, people who did not light a candle, people, I did not say it before that because I didn't want people to do it. I am saying it now on your channel. Read the Sherlock Holmes story, the dog who did not bark in the farmhouse, it's an inside job. People who did not light one diya, one mombatti, and some of them might be his co-stars who spent months or years with him, they could not light a candle. Even in spite of that, it's a worldwide trend. It has more than 7 lakh tweets counting as of now. It started at 8 p.m. in 2 hours. It has 7 lakh tweets. So the question to be asked before the criminal investigation is, what are you trying to hide that you cannot ask for a CBI investigation, that you cannot tweet for your colleague, that you cannot light a diya for justice for your colleague, and you light diyas for Afzal Gurus? And Mahesh Bhatt, you have seen his statements when he makes statements on Zakir Naik, how he praises them fulsomely, wholesomely, without reservation. What happened to Mahesh Bhatt? Why can you not speak on Sushant Singh Rajput? These are the questions which the entire public is asking. This silence is screaming. And the scream is that the justice they want to throttle will not be throttled because people have spoken. And Arnab, I'm so happy that you have spoken.
Well, I think you make a very strong point. It's not only about those who speak, but those who are choosing not to speak. Ashok, you heard that very passionate introduction by Ishkaran. Yes. Why is Deepika Padukone silent? She went to JNU, no? Before her film release? Yes. She went to do her film publicity before her film release. She can't speak up for Sushant Singh Rajput. Is she living on another planet? Why is Anurag Kashyap not speaking up? He's openly threatening Kangana, but he's not speaking up in this case. Where is the Bollywood lobby, Ashok, that spoke for the Pakistani actors? Where are they now? Are they being suffocated by their own guilt? They ought to be.
Unmuted.
No,
Yes, Ashok.
I think
Ashok and Meena.
There has to be an investigation. I think, yes, there has to be an investigation since so many voices have been raised and so many tweets have come in and so many people are wanting it. There definitely has to be a proper investigation. And I believe the Bombay police is doing something about it from what I've read. But I would like to say also, having said this, that let us not politicize this affair, that somebody who had said something earlier is not doing so now. I feel that the need of the hour is to have a thorough and complete investigation so that people do not talk anymore.